All right. This video is about how to set a compound slide up accurately, right? Okay, let me show you. What you're looking at here is a Monarch 10EE compound. Why that? Happens to be what I have, so I drew it, okay? But the word, if you look at it, you see this word here, compound slide, movement axis. What does all that bullshit mean? Here's what I'm going to emphasize here. The word slide means when you take this compound, you crank that handle, it goes one way, you turn the handle the other way, and it goes the other way, all right? In order to get accurate compound, set your compound accurately to cut an accurate angle, the side, see where my mouse is? The side here and that side there has to be dead parallel to the axis. See where my mouse, that's the axis, dead parallel. Let me read, here's the note. The compound slides must be parallel to the movement axis. That's the movement axis. Here's the opposite side. Both sides are going to be parallel because you don't know which side you're going to use. All right? All right, now, let me show you how you check it, okay? All you need is a dial indicator and a magnetic base. Hang on. All right, now, if you crank the handle, you got the indicator up against the edge. You see it? This one happens to be dead parallel. I'm going to move the indicator instead of the slide, same difference. See it? As you go, as you're cranking the handle, and that's preset, you should have that'll show you that you're parallel to the movement. Opposite, that's the operative word, parallel to the movement. All right, now I'm going to show you, I want to demonstrate if it's not parallel to the movement, how obvious it will become. All right, now it's time to play make-believe. You see the line in blue? Let's make believe that is the edge of this compound slide, right? It's not parallel. You do make the same moves, right? Utility. And it'll become obvious that it's not parallel. But let's go through the motions. This goddamn this CAD system is giving me a problem. Okay, let me do this. Oh, you piece of shit. Hang on. All right, now I'm going to move it. I have to massage this software to make it work. All right, now, same thing. I'm gonna actually move the indicator or turn the crank. Same thing. I'm going to slide it along, all right? You notice if that indicator was hitting the make-believe edge, that sucker would be spinning, telling you, sorry, pal, not parallel, all right? Just making my point. All right, now. All right? Once you know it's parallel, then you can move on and set your compound up. All right, I'm going to start here. This most guys don't have. I got a magnetic sine bar. You see it? I can put it on the side of my compound, right? Snug the compound up, and then use it. I can bring the indicator. Let me do this. I'll bring the indicator down on it. With the indicator on it preloaded, right? I can indicate across it. Let me do this. Just like the other one. See it? And you make it read 0 all the way. Quick. Once you get it reading right, you lock down the compound, you're good to go. Not everybody has a magnetic base, a magnetic sine bar. These are nice. You know, it's limited in length, you know, but they're accurate. You don't even need gauge blocks to set it. You can set it with an adjustable parallel. All right, now let me go over here, the other technique. They all work. Same deal here. Parallel sides on a slide. All right? You bring your indicator down. You bring it down so it touches. By the way, the indicator's at 90 degrees to the axis. You see them? All 90 degrees to the axis of the lathe. You bring it down. You touch. All right? You zero the indicator, you move it over any amount you want. The big trick here is to record how much the indicator moves and how much you've moved in the other direction, and you can tabulate the angle, all right? Let me do this. I'm going to... Oh, you piece of shit. That's not good. I gotta massage this software because it gets goofy. I'm going to show you. Here's a theoretical. All right. You got that? We're going to move using a DRO or an indicator on a carriage. We're going to move over that much because we're trying to get 30 degrees. Then I'm going to take the measure in here. All right, you can see what I got there. You know, record that in your head. Long side, that's a right triangle, right angle triangle. Long side 2.3288, short side 0.624. All right? Now I'm going to do a little trig using a trig calculator instead of putting a paper to pencil and driving myself nuts with that foolishness. Hang on. All right. Here's a trigonometry calculator. You can get these off the web anywhere. I can do trig. Hate to do it because this thing's 10 times more accurate and 10 times faster. right? I don't get my jollies doing that. Hang on now. Let me elaborate here. You see the right angle triangle? Look at the bottom right corner. See that little line there? That signifies it's a right angle triangle, 90 degrees. All right? All right, I'll explain the letters. Lowercase letter A, B, and C, those are sides, right? A indicates the length from here to the bottom. B indicates the length, blah, blah, blah. Uppercase letters inside the triangle. Those are angles. You see them, A, B, and C? All right? All right, now all you need to make this work is two things. It could be two sides, a side and an angle. It really doesn't matter. Two of any of them letters. And this thing will calculate whatever you want. All right? Now let me do this. Side A, I know what that is. That's 0.624. You see it? Side B, 2.3288. Okay? Now I'm going to hit calculate. I'm looking for 15 degrees. Look at this. Angle A, which is there, 14.9999998. How much closer do you want to get? That's closer than a goddamn fart skin. You understand? I'm going to get back to the drawing. Hang on. All right? Them are the numbers I just plugged in. All right? Let me do this. I'm going to show you the angle. It's going to be 30 degrees. See that? 15 degrees. Pretty good. Oh, let me do this right here. 15 degrees. You see it? All right? The whole thing is, with this system here, you can make it. You can make your triangle quite long and quite accurate. You got to do a little screwing around, right? With this one, you can get there quicker, but it's a little shorter. But they're both accurate. You understand? All right? So all I'm trying to do is make a point. And here's my point. If you make the sides of your compound parallel to the movement, right, you can make that compound sing. You understand? All right, I want to know, you guys understand this? Then I'm going to go out and do this on a later. I'm going to get out there in the real traffic and do the real deal. But for now, I'm laying this bullshit on you. All right?